The My Account section of the Webstore contains all the information you need to effectively manage your BayWa RE account. The left-hand navigation has links for you to view every single transaction from orders, quotes, invoices, and even credits, payments, and deposits under transaction history. Each list of transactions can be sorted and filtered to make it easier to find the one that you're looking for. If you have payment terms, the account balance page shows your available credit and any outstanding balance, plus the ability to create an up-to-date statement. Additionally, your company profile can be viewed and updated. You can also manage your saved addresses and add new ones. View, delete, or add any saved credit card information. Manage saved ACH payment details. And update your password if required.